TV and welcome back to another video, and today we have 2 free chests and 1 crown chest. Let's open it right now, and I have reached Arena 5! Yay! So let's open up this right now. 65 gold, 6 pharaohs, and 1 giant. Another one, 53 gold, 2 gems, 1 archer, and 6 cannons. Now the gold chest, what we got? 109 gold. I just forgot. I'm running 5 because I unlocked the minion mode. Wow. Anyway, minions. Oh wait. I thought I was getting an epic. But whatever. Let's upgrade our minions. Yeah, minions for 6. Yes. Well, I only have 2 comments. I got the minion horde. So, let's just take a quick battle right now. Let's go. That'll be more hard because there'll be 6s and 7s and whatever. Okay. Let's start. Send our level 1 prince right here. Let's wait for a fall. Oh, arrow! I'm arrow you. What's it gonna do now? Oh! I have more health! Is it? Oh, okay, I think we just switched towers. We just gave each other towers. Oh, but I get on the head start. I'm better than you, man. Oh, balloon countering. Oh, no, come on. How dare you. You will regret the day that you passed the line. It will be more difficult to defeat. I will attack you and win you. But then, did you forget about the skeletons of the army? Give some down. Let's try to get 3 crowns here, guys. Oh, yes! Send the prince. Do we have something else? Come on. Yes! Yes! Wow, level 7 barbarians. Whoa! A prince can't kill the barbarian, 1 barbarian in 2 hits? Okay, that's some mega barbarians. I know there's a viper. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be difficult. Minions! Oh, there we go. Kind of overreacted there. Sorry about that. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah. I love that when you get put like that. Valkyrie! Come on. Okay, I'm doing support. Air minions. Oh! Smashing fireball. Come on, Prince! Stop being lazy, man. Fireball! Quick! Yes, let's go! Dash start! Oh yes! Wait! Oh! You may survive, but you will not! Ball. That. Okay. Here we go. Minions and... Here we go. No! Oh, okay. We will get 3 crowns because it's sudden death now. We will win. Let's go. Come on. Oh, God. I destroyed no minions. But I have another musketeer to crush you. Taste my rage! Because I really don't have much time to Okay, let's just travel. Come on, time's running out. Go, Musketeer! Warning, balloon coming, warning! Come on, there's no time left, where did my fireball go? Arrows, oh yes! I think we have to use arrows. I'm so pumped. sorry about that. We got a 3 crown, guys. Oh yeah, and I finally make the intro and the ending as well. Okay, let's do a final battle. Flash second. Siron Esports. Oh, Esports. Funny. Are you? Oh no. Oh! Take the buff. Oh, fire speed doesn't actually matter. So look, one wizard actually won't actually. Okay. Go. One wizard has weak health, that's for sure. Furnace! Oh, very extremely annoying. Cause you
Fire.
Come on, mate. Throw that thing. Add that thing. Whoa. Oh! What was that? Was that lightning? No, I'm sure it's too weak for lightning. I'll find out. I'll find out soon. Uh-oh. Danger. Minion support. Minion. Alright, we pump some extra damage. I think we're okay here. Oh no! Fog! Oh no! I just gave him a trap, but okay. Crush! That bomb is gonna be on my back for a while. Yeah, okay, we're soon gonna get oh no! What are you trying to do? Oh, apple pen. There we go. Performance can just stop this destroy. Okay, I know what you're saying. Just trying to keep the same as mine. You take forever. Just get destroyed now and forever. Oh yes. Too late, man. Too late, bro. Okay, guys. It's time to end another episode. It's pretty short, actually. Oh, I got 6 minions. Nice. Thanks. Who was? Whatever. So guys, that was it. And so this is lightning, but then that did so low damage for like that. So if anyone knows what that little zap thing or that thing was, please tell me in the comments below. And I guess it's been a nice episode. So I'll just see you later. Goodie, bye.